Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you a basic roadmap for developing a mobile application. So this is a very basic roadmap so that you'll after this video you'll understand in which way to go to develop a mobile application. So you'll have a basic structure in your mind so that you can follow these steps and then move forward. I'll go to the first step now. First step is that choosing between Android or iOS. As we see, many people are using Android and some are using iOS as well. And we can see that the apps that are seen in the Play Store, they'll be not similar for Android phones and for iOS phones. Some apps will be similar. Okay, they'll be uh, some apps will be there for both Android and for iOS as well, but some will be only for Android because that app is being developed only for the Android system mobiles. So that is where we can develop Android application or we can develop iOS application, but you have to choose first like which one you are willing to develop. But for developing an Android application, Android mobile application, you need an Android device because yeah, that's very natural. Like if you develop any application, you need to test it, right? So for testing, you need an Angular Android application, Android mobile phone. And if you are willing to develop an iOS mobile app, then you need an iOS device like iPad or iPhone and all, so that you can test it and you can have a clear vision of your mobile app. So yes, next we'll move to the second step. So the second step is that if you are developing your mobile application, you can test it in your laptop as well. That is, you can have a mobile setup in your laptop and you can test it. But the drawback here is then while doing that procedure, your laptop gets lagging. So that is one disadvantage here, so that you cannot use a mobile kind of setup in your laptop and test it. So that will be like as I said, there'll be a laptop drop lagging and all. So yeah, for betterment of that, so to avoid that disadvantage, you can use USB cable and connect to your device, like to your mobile device, or if you are using iOS, you can connect to that iPad or iPhone and all, and you can check that. So that will be a correct procedure for this, so that you won't have any disadvantage here, and you can have a clear cut vision of your mobile app. So that helps you most. So better usage of USB cables and connecting it to your mobile phone. Yes, basically there'll be a more confusion about like what languages to use, what is the correct language there to use. But I suggest to use Java because Java is the one language which is used for everything. So for developing a mobile application, you need a Java. That is the very basic language, basic knowledge you should have while developing any application. So coming to mobile application, first you learn the basics of Java. After that, you continue with any other languages like Kotlin, Flutter, or React Native. So then you can move to any other languages. So I suggest you to first move with Java, and then learn Java basics, and then go with Java language and developing a mobile app. But then if you feel like Java is more like developing an app using Java is more difficult, then you can move to Kotlin or Flutter, because these two are which these are more like these help you a lot in developing your mobile application, because these two languages are more user friendly and you can very easily use the resources there or the libraries there. So that is why these two languages are more widely used in mobile application development, while comparing these two, Kotlin is the most widely used. You better use Java or Kotlin. So first, before using anything, you should first know the Java basics. So first, better learn Java basics and then move to the other application like React Native, Flutter, or Kotlin. You can choose among these languages. Then coming to the next step is that Android Studio. This is the we can say this is the environment that is used for developing any of the mobile application. and this is for the Android mobile application, that is Android Studio. If you're using iOS, there is the other studio for that as well. And yeah, this is powered by Google. And this is very easy. You will have all the icons and all the resources, all the libraries that are very user friendly, so that you can use it. You once, for your any reference, or if you need to learn any of the these courses, mobile app development courses, you can go to Udacity, where it will have free core resources and all. This Udacity is also powered by Google, so that it would be, if you learn course in this Udacity, that will be more useful for Android Studio, because both are of Google part itself. And you can go to developer.android.com. In that website, you'll have more, the full syllabus, or any more details if you are searching for any more details of this, because as a fresher you would have many confusions in that. So if in as a fresher, if you are searching for any other details, like way to start, how to start, and how to move on and all, they are very very clearly they have given in developer.android.com. So these both links I'll give you in my description box, so that you can move there and then check once. Udacity is it is very easy, like the courses are very easy, and they have given in small bits, so that you can understand very properly. And yeah, by using these steps, you can I think now you got some idea, like how to start and where to start this. This is the basic steps of mobile app development, so that with these steps, I think you are a little more clear about this mobile app development field. So that, yeah, follow these steps, and then you do some courses in Udacity. Like, not only doing the courses, like not only just logging into Udacity and then listening to those courses, or seeing those courses and all will help you. Just make that you just see the courses, and then again follow the steps what they have told, like implement those steps as well. Simultaneously, you just implement that, so that you will have a very clear understanding of all that. Like there'll be many courses, there'll be small courses, like how to insert a button in the mobile application, and how to insert some components, how to insert the layout and list, how to insert the list and all. So that will be very easy, because they have given it separately, so that you will understand it more clearly there. And yes, this is the basic roadmap of mobile app development. I think you have understood a little bit of that. So thank you for this video. In my next coming videos, I'll tell you more about this mobile app development as well. So thank you.